Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristie. For those of you that are new here, for those of you who are returning, welcome back. I am certainly glad you decided to join me for another plan with me this week. I am going to be speeding through again this week just because I was having some ear issues, but yeah. So this week I will be using the Autumn Kit by Nicole Alexia Designs. Absolutely love the colors in this kit. Think it's absolutely beautiful. Do a little flip through of it so you guys can see. This is Nikki's newer kit design that has the mandalas on it, as well as having the sprinkle glitter on the headers, which I absolutely adore. And then I also have the micro kit to go with that because I love pairing those two together. I think it's a great combination to have more stickers to use during planning. I also am pulling in, let me see what I was pulling in here. I have all of my stickers, as you can see, that I have pulled for the week so that I have them all at my ready when I start to plan. And I also have my birthday countdown because Wednesday starts the 7-day countdown to my birthday because my birthday is a week from Wednesday. So I am right before Thanksgiving next week. I also have my rose-colored days underlays for the full boxes on the spread. And we are going to jump into this, and I will be back with you guys for just a second at the end. So enjoy. guys, what's up? I am back, just coming to finish up the video with you guys. This is the completed spread, and I'm currently showing you all I have left of the kits. I did kind of not use a whole page pretty much of the micro kit, but that's okay. And yeah, just kind of seeing what I was doing here, figuring out what's next. Hope everyone's excited for Black Friday sales. Those are coming quickly, and I'm super ready. Again, I guess now I'm going to point to the 7 days till my birthday as if I don't know that it's 7 days again. I'm super excited though, so I'm taking the day off work. It's going to be real fun. Yeah, I will leave links down below to everything that I may have mentioned, and I will talk to you guys next week in my next Plan With Me. Bye, guys.